mabigat yun. Mabigat yung kaldero mo.
Hi! Welcome to Julian's Kitchen. Yes, hindi tayo magluluto ulit today. Magdi-discuss tayo about pots and pans. What do you have to add? Ano yung mga kailangan nating idagdag? Eventually, invest in good pots and pans. Like, I've invested in some pieces of Le Creuset because these are really good for mga big batches of stewing kasi nga evenly distributed yung heat. Matagal din siya magagamit. Nagkaapo ka na sa tuhod, buhay pa rin siya. So maganda siyang ipamana. Not only that, matagal talaga ang ibibigay niyang serbisyo sa'yo. Totoo yan. This has been with me mula nung nagsimula ang Julian's Kitchen. Mukha pa rin siyang bago. Kung Le Creuset, ang unang Le Creuset na bibili ninyo, in my opinion, at least a big pot like this. Because you can cook a lot with this type of size. Kung medyo maliit ang pamilya ninyo, may mas maliit pa siyang size. You can also get that. Pero ito, pwede kang magkaldereta, pwede kang magkare-kare. Marami kang magagawa dyan. Hindi siya didikit ng bongga. Walang dikit na mangyayari dyan. Ay, ang bigat. Pwede na ako ano dito? Ano tawag dito, Bob? Squats. Tagal ko na talaga hindi nag-workout. So, eto yung mga bagay na kailangan ninyo when you want to actually invest in your kitchen equipment or kitchen appliance. But again, I suggest to invest in really good materials ng pots and pans kasi at some point, kakatipid natin, madali naman siya nasisira. Bili tayo ng bili ng mura, hindi ba? Eventually, hindi nyo napapansin, napapagastos na rin kayo ng malaki kasi madaling masira, natatanggal yung handle, manipis, nabibingkong kaagad. So, para isang gastusan na lang, pag-ipunan natin, or hingin natin regalo, or pwede naman ding installment, basta please invest in good pots and pans, some pots and pans na hindi makakasama sa kalusugan ninyo, kasi iyon talaga yung magpapa-inspire sa inyo to learn to cook some more and to be adventurous in cooking. Before you know it, nakompleto nyo na yan. Happy kayo kasi marami na kayong natutunan and at the same time, tama yung investment na ginawa ninyo. Kanya-kanya tayong kending pagdating sa investments. Some invest in bags, some invest in clothes, in shoes, in trips. We also do that. But mostly, I invest in kitchen appliance and kitchen equipment. I'm being practical. I want you guys to invest in something that not only you will love, but your whole family